Jai Shri Ram. The idiom elephant in the room. The elephant in the room is an idiom which means a big problem which everyone knows but nobody wants to talk about it. So there are many elephants in the room. Okay. So you see this cartoon, the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room, like I said, is a big problem which everyone knows, and it's a pressing problem. We need to do something, but nobody wants to talk about it. So in India, Article 48, banning cow slaughter. The constitution says cow slaughter, gau hatya should be stopped. In some states there are laws, but nobody is enforcing it. This is one of the elephants in the room. Eh? And Uniform Civil Code, Article 44. Why is it that we don't have a uniform civil code? In the state of Goa in India, there is a uniform civil code. Uniform Civil Code basically means Article 44, Directive Principle, which means state should pass laws that so that all citizens have the same law that governs them, which covers marriage, divorce, property, adoption. So, if you are equal citizens, then all should be governed by the same law. Unfortunately, in India, Muslims can have four wives, eh? And Muslim girls don't get, or they get a very small share of the property, some 1/6 or something, eh? And they can't adopt also. Hmm? And if they don't adopt, the property will pass on to some other cousin or whatever it is. That's another problem. That's probably a minor problem. Divorce. Anyway, triple talaq has been, removed. But still, there are other problems which I don't want to mention now. So this is another big elephant in the room. Now, when will we have this? Or we must allow Hindus also to have four wives, so that Hindu population will also multiply. Then when the population goes out of control, then I think there will be serious problems, and then perhaps the government will have to think. So this is a serious problem. Eh? And religion based reservations are going on. That is another elephant. Interference in Hindu temples in the name of Endowment Act. But funds from churches and mosques are not taken away by the government. So this Hindu Endowment Act should be scrapped and all temples should be handed over to Hindus. So many Mathadipatis are there, so many. We have Sampradaya, Shankaracharyas, Ramanuja, they can all manage. Even Ram temple, which has been built right now without any government interference, not a single rupee. Hindus have contributed 4,000 crores when the estimate was 1,000 crores. 4 times the amount of money Hindus have donated. And the trust which has built this has put all the money in banks, and with the interest that is there, they have built the Ram temple. Now just imagine how much money is there with the Hindus, and they are trying to say that we Hindus don't know how to manage our temples. Bloody rascals. So another temple is this proselytization, conversion. This is $1 billion business which is going on. So that has to be blatant minority appeasement. That has to be stopped. And nepotism everywhere, even in the judiciary. Okay. So there are so many other. I just scribbled a few on this. But the idiom you must know is the elephant in the room. The elephant in the room simply means a big problem which everyone knows and everyone feels the suffering, but nobody has the guts. There was a story about who will bell the cat. All the rats got together and they decided, because this cat is killing all of us, the best way to escape from the cat is we must put a bell round the cat's neck, so that the moment the cat comes, the bell will ring and we'll all know and we can escape. That was a good idea. But then the question was, who will bell the cat? So that is what is happening in our country. Who will bell the elephant? Or in fact, the elephant in the room. Who will bell the cat? And who will send the elephant out of the room? Damn it, there's no place here. Jai Shri Ram.